crisis that's wrong for New York taxpayers, wrong for the migrants, and wrong for our city and wrong for our country. And the national government is not doing their job.
Ooh, those are fighting words, Eric Adams. Today, Eric Adams was in D.C. He was about to sit down with Joe Biden in the White House to discuss the immigration crisis. And then people said, oh, Eric Adams canceled the meeting. He said, I have to go back to New York. People are saying, what's going on? On schedule. This morning, the FBI raided the home of top Eric Adams fundraiser, Breonna Taylor. Not a subpoena, raiding the home. Eric Adams flew a little too close to the sun. Eric Adams, otherwise known as Icarus, complained a little bit too much, and he just got some chin music, a little bit of a warning brushback pitch. You better shut up, is what they're saying. Breonna Suggs, we have no idea what the search warrant is about, but this is typical Stalinistic FBI Southern District of New York tactics. You want to go meet with Joe Biden? You're making too much noise? We will raid you. They're doing this right now to Elon Musk. FDNY is investigating Elon Musk because Elon Musk is complaining too much and noticing too much. Now, maybe Breonna is a bad actor. I don't know. She's a Democrat. So probably is. But they probably had dirt on her for quite some time. But why now? You're trying to tell me it's a coincidence? You're trying to tell me that Eric Adams is about to take a seat in the West Wing in a round table with cameras everywhere? Of course not. Joe Biden and his government ordered a hit. They said, raid it. This is a problem. You're making us look bad. Now. And it worked. Eric Adams is on his way back to New York to handle a matter. The Biden crime family, we know, is run like a mob family. La Cosa Nostra. It's no different than El Chapo, the Godfather, the five families of New York. This is exactly how the mob would handle stuff. This is the equivalent of waking up with a horse's head in your bed. Watch The Godfather, you know exactly what I mean. Eric Adams got the memo, canceled the meeting, and went home. There will be no summit on illegal immigration. The complaining, I'm sure, will lessen in its volume and intensity. And Eric Adams will probably stick to his stomach. Now, whether or not this is legit with Breonna or not, the regime...
Why is the trash can still here? He's so damn lazy. He's so fucking lazy.
The administrative state runs the country.
Jeez.
If you dare complain about open borders, if you dare complain
really?
about the issues, we will destroy
I
the
hate this so much.
after you. You're trying to tell me
So damn lazy.
that Breonna Suggs and Eric Adams
Like, really?